Welcome back to Based Healing Path, where we focus on building stronger, healthier, more balanced lives through simple habits that anyone can start today. In this session, we're going to walk together through a gentle stretching routine designed for real people living real lives, people who sit, stand, work, and commute, and who sometimes forget to give their bodies the care they deserve. This is a simple full body flow you can do at home, in your office, or anywhere you find a little space. Before we begin, settle into your space. Let your feet rest on the floor, drop your shoulders away from your ears, and take a slow breath in through your nose. As you exhale, imagine releasing any tension you've collected throughout the day. This routine is not about pushing or testing your limits. It's about making room inside your muscles and joints and inviting comfort back into your body. Let's begin with gentle neck mobility. Keeping your spine long, slowly tilt your right ear toward your right shoulder. Just let gravity do the work. You may feel a mild pull along the opposite side of your neck. Bring your head back to center and tilt the left ear toward the left shoulder. Keep the movement soft. Now, gently turn your head to look over your right shoulder, then slowly over your left. These small movements make a huge difference. Let's move on to the shoulders. Inhale and raise your shoulders up toward your ears. Exhale and let them drop completely. Now, roll your shoulders forward in slow circles, then reverse and roll them backward. Feel that space opening across your collarbones. Next, let's stretch the sides of the body. Reach your right arm up overhead and gently lean to the left. Keep both feet grounded. Feel a little more room between your ribs with each exhale. Slowly come back to center. Switch arms and lean to the opposite side. This is wonderful for relieving compression through the spine. Now, extend your arms out in front, interlace your fingers, and press your palms away from you. Round your upper back and tuck your chin. Feel the stretch between your shoulder blades. Slowly release and gently pull one arm across your chest, using the opposite hand to hold it. Switch sides when you're ready. Let's open up the chest. Clasp your hands behind your lower back. Gently lift your chest and draw your shoulders back, creating a broad, expansive space in the front of your body. This helps reverse the pattern of hunching forward. Now for the arms. Extend your right arm overhead and bend your elbow, reaching your hand toward the middle of your back. With your left hand, apply gentle pressure to the right elbow. Hold for a moment, then switch sides. Remember, the goal is never to force. Let's work down to the wrists. Extend one arm forward, palm up. Use your other hand to gently pull the fingers downward. Then flip the palm down and gently pull the fingers back. Toward you. Repeat on the other side. This is great for anyone who types or texts a lot. Now, for the torso and spine, sit or stand tall and begin gentle rotations. Turn your upper body to the right, then to the left. You're simply lubricating the spine and waking up the muscles that support it. Let's move to the hips. Place your hands on your hips and make slow, circular movements with your pelvis. Go clockwise for several breaths, then counterclockwise. This helps restore fluidity. Next, let's stretch the hip flexors. Step your right foot back into a short lunge. Gently press your hips forward until you feel a mild stretch at the front of your right hip. Switch sides when ready. Now, the hamstrings. Extend one leg forward, heel on the ground. Hinge gently from your hips. You don't need to reach your toes. Switch legs when ready. For the quads, use a wall for balance if you need. Grab your right ankle and gently pull your foot toward your glutes. Switch sides. Let's focus on the calves. Step your right foot back, heel on the ground, and lean forward. Switch sides. Finally, the ankles. Lift one foot and rotate the ankle in small circles. Repeat on the other side. To finish, stand tall, raise your arms overhead, and take a deep breath in as you lengthen your entire spine. Exhale and slowly bring your arms down. As we conclude, take a moment to notice how your body feels. Maybe it's lighter, freer, or you just feel calmer. Stretching is one of the simplest forms of self-care. A few minutes a day can make a meaningful difference. Thank you for joining me on Based Healing Path. Keep showing up for yourself. Until next time, breathe deeply, move gently, and stay grounded on your healing path.